Hey everyone, Camian Larson, Home Design and Renovation Coach here in Oregon City, Oregon. Today is the day I'm doing my second workshop, and we're doing it here in Westland at a local mom business. It's called Kaleidoscope Chocolate Shop and Wine Bar. So that's going to be great, and we're going to get to sample her wares while we're all learning a lot and getting to know each other. So two of the big topics I'm going to be going over today are planning and communication. So those are the best ways that you can have a job go successfully, is to plan, and then plan some more. Because inevitably things will come up during construction that will need to be dealt with, that will not be in the plan. So control everything that you can by doing planning ahead of time. And so in my contracts and in my experience, the only things I was willing to leave to later, if I had to, was paint color. Don't really like to do that, but paint color, sometimes a grout color, and sometimes cabinet hardware. But it really is best if you get all of that done. It means that your quotes are going to come out more accurately. It means that everyone's going to plan their timing better. It means that your house is going to be under construction for a shorter period of time because everybody knows what's expected of them, and scheduling goes a lot smoother. So also with that planning, I believe in ordering everything you possibly can before the construction starts. So plan for where you're going to store all those materials, whether it's going to be with a contractor or at your own home. That's going to minimize issues too. And then you just know that you have them right there. So that's great. And the other part is communication. So I believe that if you can work on planning and communication, you're halfway there to getting a good job, getting your project to come out the way that you want, the way that you expect, and minimize the issues. So I hope that was helpful. I'll get into those elements more as time progresses, but have a great day. Thanks.